This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Walthall. Open house Saturday, July 9th from 3 to 6 p.m. and Sunday, July 10th from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Don't miss this bright townhouse, which offers 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. The first level includes an open concept kitchen, dining room, and living room. The large kitchen island provides extra countertop and cabinet storage and is perfect for several bar stools. Most of the kitchen appliances have been replaced in recent years and all convey with the sale. All 3 bedrooms are located on the second level. The primary bedroom offers a large shelved closet and ensuite bathroom with soaking garden tub. The backyard is completely fenced, providing privacy and enjoyment of the paver patio. Liberty Crossing is a popular community with a neighborhood pool, clubhouse, playground, pond with fountain and trails. The whole covers the trash.